Understand, go down. So while we're here already, a lot of time we're using our leg like this a lot because we want to sit on this guy. We want to sit on him. Okay, and hand here. When we sit in him, we want to drop more or less this kind of movement. If we want to do any kind of movement, we not want to do this. First toward me. It's going to be hard for us. So what we're looking for is looking for the more or less now we've done before. It's looking at the finger a lot. Finger, now we can do our movement on him. You see, then we can able to sit on him and then we can able to do the movement become a lot better. Tend to wrist, grab tight, now we find problem. So this again go back to so it become a lot more easier when we start to using it. We don't try to use too much of the skill then, but we try to use more of our soft technique on them. So now I'm here. I mentioned before, if I'm here, grab my head and pull, it's a bit harder. But if you go like this, pull, now I pull, then I go be head in here, big problem. So when I'm here ready, yeah, it's easier. When the hand is forced into here, elbow into here, easy to put the feet up, easy to move a little bit. Easy to control, easy to break, easy to move out of the way, easy to get out. You understand that? So when we do the movement in a minute, there's a lot of this kind of movement here. Now with him to get me up, get me down. Oh gosh. Yeah, now get me down. Get me down. It's going to be hard for me to push myself up now. So we work on positioning. Now in case, grab me, got problem. Pull, not a problem. Okay, we go back to the first one we done this morning. Okay, so if I haven't got a problem here, I'm straight away like this. Straight away in position right away to control that right away by using this pinning that we learned. And then after that, it's easier for us to control, easier for us to control, easier us to do the movement, easier for us to do that. And then we'll show you some movement out from that kind of technique. Okay, so what we're going to do, we do some of this first. Down, try to pull the neck down to get some strength first, and then we add some movement on afterwards.